Hey, I'm Steve Sapato, your speaking coach, and I'm excited. I've been invited by BigVu.tv, which they're one of the leaders in the teleprompter industry for both computers and for cell phones. So I've been invited by them to share my wisdom and knowledge on how to be great on video. That's what the life's all about right now, right? Video. You have to be good on video. I don't care what you're presenting. I don't care what you're doing. I don't care what company you're working for, what business you're working for. You have to be good at your presentation skills. You have to be good at your facial gestures. You have to be good at all these things. And I'll be sharing all that on a webinar coming up July 19th at noon Eastern Standard Time. I want you to tune in. Pick up 25 minutes worth of how to be great on video. I'm Steve Sapato. You can write to me at steve@stevesapato.com. But I'm excited to have been selected by BigVu.tv to be one of the people who is building their company. I look forward to hearing from you. God bless.